I came by. I was told that supposedly there's a community that's already bought or reserved about 50 homes here.
I'm not sure which community you're talking about. This is Elliott Homes.
Right. I just want to check because I was told it was here in Lodi, and this is the only one I know of. And supposedly somebody or a group reserved 50 homes.
We don't do that.
No, you don't do
No,
that?
we don't even sell to investors.
No.
We only sell to owner occupants. So it wouldn't be us. It might be K-Hovnanian or it might be FCB.
Mm-hmm. But not.
Are you a realtor?
No.
Oh, okay.
They just have like a whole group thing going where if we put in money, pulled money together.
Oh, like a susu? You know what that is?
No.
That's what that is.
Okay.
Where everybody puts their money in, and so is it like a real estate investment trust?
No, it's just somebody that's gearing it up and wanting to, just do it. And I want to make sure that it's an investment that I want to go into.
You better, because I'm wondering, I haven't heard of anything like this, and since houses are selling like hotcakes,
yeah,
I would be surprised if there were any discounts at all from any of the builders. So it would be, I mean, we don't get discounts. So you really need to do your homework.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I mean, I want to buy a new house and everything, but
well, why not just buy one for yourself?
Well, it's supposed to be, the way she's putting it, it works out for everybody, and, we're a small community, so I thought maybe we could...
Are you from Lodi?
No, Stockton.
Stockton?
But I like Lodi area. I work here to Lodi area, so...
Well, you know the area.
Yeah, and it really...
Who are you working with? I'd be curious.
It's a Patoa group, Patoa. It's a Tongan community.
A what?
A Tongan community. We're Pacific Islanders, and yeah, it's something that they want to put together, and that's what was told.
Well, it sounds to me like a real estate investment trust.
Okay.
And if it is, that's a bona fide thing, and you could become a partner in it.
Okay.
Or if it's an LLC.
Yeah, it is an LLC.
Okay. All right. I happen to know a thing or two. But yeah, that's very interesting. But I don't understand why they would be buying. I don't understand what builder would actually be open to.
Well, that's what kind of had me was she said there was about 50 houses that's already been reserved for us to start with. And
well, are you sure they're new houses?
Yeah, there's supposed to be new houses, and she just went live on Facebook Live to kind of show us what it looks like. And because I know the area, I thought I would come and look at it.
So what site?
It's called are you on Facebook? It's a public page.
Yeah.
So it's Patoa.
Patoa.
Yeah, that one. Global Movement for the Poor.
Wow.
Yeah. No, not that one.
Not that one?
Yeah, there's two groups.
Okay.
No, right here.
Okay.
And then she went live right here. And that was about half an hour ago. So she's saying they're starting the construction on the homes.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where this is. It almost looks like this.
Yeah, and it shows the shopping center right next door too. But she hasn't really given out any, too much information, but we're supposed to start investing now.
Well, I wouldn't put any money anywhere.
No.
Right now. Ooh, if I could back up, I could see the name of the street.
I call the TOMU'A workout developers, and now they resume. Una resume the OMG.
It certainly looks like our community, our light posts. And I can't tell if it's our houses or not, but it looks like it. Well, no, we don't. Well, it could be. Okay, there's Walmart right there. So
Yeah.
it's FCB. It's up.
Okay. Also, I would have to go talk with FCB.
Yeah, you'd have to go over there. Up there. So, yeah. Wow, that kind of tripped me out. Yeah, see, it's up
Yeah,
right by...
that's what I figured. I thought it would
But
be.
I want to show you something,
Okay.
just for fun.
Uh-huh.
I went up there and took this picture the other day. And they are going to be building, right in the front, they're going to be building this great big water tower and an electrical substation.
Oh.
Just so you know.
Okay. That does make a difference.
Well, it makes a difference on when you drive in. It makes a difference to me because I don't want to do it by a substation.
Yeah.
I don't so much care about the water tank.
Yeah, the water tank is fine. The substation
But the
is kind of-
substation is going to be emitting a lot of EMFs, electrical magnetic frequencies, that I don't want around me. So just so you know.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know because I didn't know that either.
Yeah, but if
Okay.
you decide you would like to just purchase a home
Uh-huh.
for yourself, and we're here, and our quality of construction is really good.
Oh, I sure bet. I don't doubt it.
But come see the models when you can.
Okay, I will do that.
Here. And go see their models too. I don't think they open up until noon
Okay.
for their models.